Okay, so this is me doing my makeup. I was using the Ulta Beauty primer and now I'm doing my eyebrows. And this is my first video, so it's not gonna be great. It's kind of for shits and giggles. So yeah, I'm doing my eyebrows with the Anastasia brow gel and the Anastasia brush. This is definitely thin eyebrows. I recorded this video last year, so my eyebrows were kind of not what they are now. And to get the best look, I just use the spoolie end and I blend out from the middle into the center of my forehead. And now I'm concealing my eyebrows. I do use disposable sponges because I have sensitive skin and beauty blenders are very dirty, so I use one side of the sponge for concealer and the other side for the foundation. Yep. And yep, I'm getting them brows on fleek. Wait. Oh, yes, honey. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright. You don't want that unibrow look. So wipe that away. This is some foundation. It's really not foundation. It's a BB cream. I got it. And I liked it. And now I don't like it anymore. It be like that sometimes. Yep, so this is me using my sponge that is not a beauty blender because them things are nasty. And yep, just pat, 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 do a lot of patting, like, yeah, you gotta blend that shit in. So here I am, still blending. Yep, still blending. I gotta get better at this. Okay, girl. This is the It Cosmetics Concealer, and I am using the other side of my sponge to just blend that out. I like to conceal the center of my face. Yep, and this is the Rihanna Matchstick. I didn't want to rub it directly onto my skin, so I used the brush to dab it on, and I made it work, but I felt like when I put it directly on my skin that it kind of moved the makeup, so I didn't really like it. Gotta contour my, big old forehead. Gotta keep them edges on fleek too, though. It's really weird watching yourself do this kind of stuff. This is odd. Alright, and this is a blush matchstick. I couldn't put it directly on the brush because it wasn't very pigmented. Like, the pigment sucked, and you can see I apply it like twice, and I like dig the shit into my skin because it just really sucked. And here is the highlight, and the highlight was kind of dry on me. I ended up returning these. They weren't great. Like, I'm having to do so much extra work just to blend them out because they're just so dry. They were like, honey. And blend, blend, blend. Blend that ish. I don't like baking. Baking isn't for me because, once again, that's something for, it's kind of dry on your skin, and my skin definitely needs some moisture. Gotta cover up that big ass acne. That's that hormonal acne for you. Still trying to make sure that I don't have a unibrow and that my eyebrows aren't ready to fly away. Yep, on fleek, bish. Yes. This is the Kat Von D setting powder. Kat Von D is one of my favorites. Her products are amazing. I have not been disappointed yet. This is that cheapo shit. It's literally like $1, but yo, this is like my holy grail. I like to, contour with like warm colors because I have a warm skin tone. And this is the Kat Von D holographic highlighter, and it's more glittery than it is shiny, but I'm a glitter whore, so yep, this is some cheap eyeshadow from Ulta, and I'm just adding a base color, and then next I put in a crease color and I blend it out. Blend, blend, blend. That is the key to success. Ooh, look at that transition. That is amazing. Yes. And I have very deep set eyes, so I really like to cut that crease, honey. Yes. A brighter color on the inner corner of your eyes is always going to make your eyes pop. It'll just brighten you up. Gotta highlight that brow bone. Gotta get that on fleek. Yep. This is some eyeliner I got in an Ipsy bag. I don't even remember what it is or if I still have it. For my eyeliner, I have really small eyes, but I start in my inner corner and I drag it out. And what I basically do is create your basic eyeliner, and then I go back and I add my wing. And to add my wing, I just kind of, do what works best for me, because everybody's different. But you basically gotta, get a good flick of the wrist. Yep, there it is, Fenty. Never mind. Obviously, it wasn't perfect enough. Oh, we're taking it far out today. Oh, to the next eye. Yes, ma'am. There's a better view of how I do my eyeliner. Eyeliner can be tricky because it's not for everybody. I do like felt tip eyeliner because it's just better. Liquid eyeliner, since my eyes are so deep set, it tends to get in my crease and smear, even if it's waterproof. Like, I've yet to find a liquid eyeliner that doesn't smear on me. And I like my eyeliner thick. So yeah, these are Ardell lashes. I really suck at showing how to put them on because at this point, this is my first video and I'm like, fuck this shit. But yeah, the Ardell lashes, the wispies are really easy to use. I recommend using them as your first lashes if you're, a beginner to this. And, a little bit of mascara is what really makes these things look natural. Or in my case, a lot of mascara. But eyelashes are everything, hunty. You see? Ooh, you see the difference in no mascara and mascara? That's a big difference. But, okay, yeah, so I squeeze my eyes closed like that because it helps the eyelash to stick in the natural position. Yes, ma'am. Get that ish. Alright. Now I gotta get all that ugly ass makeup off my lips because, girls, that is not a cute look. So, just like a basic lip gloss.